Is this just another video about building a far too powerful PC in far too small a case? Yes it is. We're using the 9900X. We'll be putting it into an ASRock ITX board, which of course we have the necessary BIOS upgrade, and we're cooling it with the AXP90 by Thermalright. This already is taking off all the safeties. To make matters worse, we're also cramming in a 4080 into Fractal Designs Terra. As it was Black Friday, we're not adding just one, but two 990 Pros by Samsung because we can, and we're going cheap on the memory because, well, those were really cheap on Black Friday. So this is a video about cramming far too much computing power into far too small of a case.
For gaming you might want to pick one of those X3D Ryzens, but for Blender the 9900X seems to be the second fastest consumer CPU that can still be cooled with a low profile air cooler. Also, the second fastest might be the RTX 4080 that comes in this beautiful ProArt form factor that kind of barely fits the length of the Fractal Terra case. Unfortunately, it's rarely on offer, so it's half the value of the whole computer.
Let me stop you right here, because this is where it became a little tedious and very frustrating. Those modern power supplies communicate with the parts they send the power to. So, the 4080 asks for 320 watts, the power supply says I have a 300 watts cable, I can't send you this much, and that's it. And despite the fact that this graphics card can actually grab some of the power from the port, it just doesn't turn on. We ended up with the SF850L by Corsair, obviously the go-to solution for those builds. And here we are, it works fine. Thank you very much.
And here are some numbers to fit the build somewhere in the range of possible render machines in the Blender universe. If you want to see what's going to be rendered on this machine, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll be seeing you next time.